This is usually a Qt project file for developers. It tells the compiler how to build the app. You need the Qt framework or a text editor to read it. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's open it up. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step. We will showcase how a single, robust PRO file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues. The PRO format adheres to the base protocol used by all developer script files. The Qt project file extension is native to its internal logic. A PRO file can represent either a Qt project file or a Punch CAD file. Qt project files store project settings, dependencies, and build configurations for applications developed using the Qt framework. Punch CAD files, on the other hand, contain 2D and 3D design data, often used for architectural and mechanical designs. The specific content depends on the software that created the file. Qt-PRO files are text-based and follow a specific syntax for defining variables, include paths and library dependencies. Punch CAD PRO files are binary and contain geometric data, layer information, and object properties. Qt project files are typically managed by Qmake or CMake, while Punch CAD files are opened and edited within the Punch CAD software environment. If installed, your preferred program for PRO should be the Qt Creator and Punch CAD application by the Qt company and Punch software. Windows provides a generic icon, but lacks a specific viewer for this format. Windows can open scripts for review, but running them depends on compatible tools. Your first step towards data access. Right-click the PRO file and select Open With. If Qt Creator and Punch CAD is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. If the PRO file won't budge, stay calm. Since this PRO format is so specific, basic errors are common. Don't worry, we just need to verify a few key details before moving on. Let's go to our checklist. First, identify the creator. Determine if the file is a Qt project file or an older Visual FoxPro program file. Next, use the original application. If Qt, open with Qt Creator. If FoxPro, use Visual FoxPro or a FoxPro runtime environment. Finally, open as text. Open the file in a text editor, Notepad, to look for recognizable code headers, like the Qt framework structure, to determine the source. If the application test fails, the PRO file is blocked by a technical barrier. The professional tool is designed specifically to try and break through this type of issue. When a file absolutely must be open, turn to File Magic. It provides an invaluable feature, accessing content instantly, regardless of the file's extension or header status. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If you want to solve problems fast, please subscribe. This was the ultimate fix. This solution is designed for maximum speed.